In this video, I will show you how you can find the downloads folder on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. So let's get started. Now to find the downloads folder, just open the Files app. Now from here, just tap on Browse and tap on Browse one more time. And under the Browse section, you will find the option of Downloads. As you can see, the Downloads folder is not showing on my iPhone. Now to show the Downloads folder, just go to your home screen and open the Settings app. From here, just tap on Apps, and from this app list, just look for the Safari app. Then tap on it. After you open the Safari settings, you will find the option of Downloads. Just tap on it. Now if it is on iCloud Drive, just select on my iPhone. Now after you select on my iPhone, then go to your home screen and open the Files app. Now if I tap on Browse, and if I go to the Browse section, as you can see under the Favorites section, you will find the Downloads folder. Just tap on it to open it. And as you can see, this is how you can find the Downloads folder or the Downloads section on your iPhone. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.